Hi, my name is Audrey and I'm the Corporate Lead Officer for Porthconnell, which includes Ceredigion New Supported Lodging Scheme. Could you offer a safe and supportive home to a young person between the age of 16 and 25 in need in Ceredigion? As a supported lodgings host, you will have the opportunity to provide a long-lasting impact on a young person's life at a time when they most need your support to succeed in adulthood. As a host, you will provide a bedroom in your home and give them the tools they need to help prepare them to succeed in adulthood.
Yeah.
These young people may be leaving the care system or facing challenges at home. They need your help with life skills such as cleaning, budgeting, or education and employment. This is an opportunity for you to provide them with support and stability at a time when they most need it. Our aim is to ensure that our young people can stay in their local communities and they can maintain the relationships that are important to them. If you think you could help these young people, please get in touch for more information.